In this course, Start Making Coil Pots, I will show you two main techniques, so a blending technique and a pinching technique, and you will have the opportunity to make conical forms, and if that goes well, a shouldered spherical form with quite a wide overhang over a narrow foot, a big belly and a shoulder and neck. So that's a little bit more challenging. So the techniques will be repeated throughout the videos, and there will be similarities between the two and only slight variations when you come to dealing with more complicated forms. The blending techniques I will cover use modelling tools. You can also use your finger, and I will also cover adapting modelling tools from the chopsticks that we have in the kits. One of the key advantages of showing you the two techniques is being able to take a reasonably thick technique and develop it so that you can get refined, thinner pots. I'll show you how to roll coils. I'll also give you an introduction to using a coil extruder, so that if you are taking yourself through this course at the studio, you know how to use that, which will give you regimental coils, and you'll be able to do those really quite quickly. The course introduces a template, which is a really key item when you're beginning to learn how to make coil pots. It's useful to have a guide. Plan before you start making and stick to that plan. Don't sort of go off that too readily. The course will also cover cleaning bases so that they're finished and refined, and different approaches to finishing the tops of pots, so different ways of introducing a neck and different treatments of that neck. We'll also cover a few technical issues, such as adding wet coils onto dry coils in case your pots have moved away from the optimal state, and also what happens if they get too dry to do anything too. So it might be that we end a pot a little bit earlier and stay with something that isn't quite where you were heading, but still follows the same form. The rims of the beaker-like shapes that we've got here, I will show you a little bit of how to treat those. So we'll cover crimping and also cover using guides and templates to apply decoration, model decoration evenly in bands around a pot. And that is what we shall cover in coil pots.